Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Stone Shamaness, and today I'm going to do a grid for a bird, because a bird did die outside the front of my house yesterday, so I'm doing a grid to help the bird pass on, and also to help birds as well in general. I've got some lovely yellow feathers, and that's going to be my centrepiece. I think it is actually a pigeon, but it's made out of copper. I also would like to thank all my subscribers and my new subscribers, because this week we hit 50, so I'm very happy about that, and I've got you all to thank you for that. I hope you can all hear me over the bells, the church bells. I think it's actually a wedding. It's absolutely a beautiful day for a wedding, so it's wonderful. So I'm going to use some tortoise. I'm going to have a bit of a tortoise theme because it's got the gold in, similar to the copper. And the tablecloth is quite patterned, so I'm not going to do like an intricate grid. So what I think I'll do actually is, I've got a star in the middle, so I think I'll have the tortoises and turtles going out with each point of the star. That's it. I've actually got 6, so what I'll do is I'll put these in the corner. And tortoises and turtles represent Mother Earth. The ancient shamans used to have that as their symbol for Mother Earth. So I'm going to put the feathers underneath the tortoises so they don't blow away. And I've got some nice pieces of fluorite, rainbow fluorite. I'm going to put those on. And I've got some citrine. I'm not sure what this piece is, but that can go on as well. That's orange calcite. That's a lovely piece of citrine, untreated. And I've got some amber, which is actually tree resin. That's really good for your health. And this is a sun catcher, so I'll get some colour rays off that later. And this is tangerine aura. It's heated at high temperatures with precious metals. I think I've got another one there. And being though the sun's out today, I've got some nice sunstone as well to go on. And this is goldstone. It's like it's got gold glitter in. Apparently a monk was the first one to make goldstone. He was experimenting and he was the only one with the recipe, but I think everyone knows the recipe now. That looks lovely in the sun. And I've got some more citron pieces. I'm not too sure. That's like a Merkaba star. I'm not too sure what that one is, but that can go on. I'm not too sure on that one's similar colour. And that's a nice gold heart, and that would be a sun catcher as well. So this is just a simple grid. Some more sunstone. And you have these little pebbles as well, these glass pebbles, they're really pretty. They catch the sun nicely. I'm going to make like a star pattern. And I've got some little mother of pearl, they're like half moon shapes, so they can go on as well. Citron. That's crystal glass, that looks pretty as well. Just fill out the grid a bit. Lovely. And I've got like a unicorn shell. I'll put that on as well. Okay, so that's the grid. I'm just going to activate it. there's light language at the end of the video. It's from the solstice. I did that on the solstice night. I didn't actually upload it, so that's part 2. So that'll be golden ray activations, and also the other grid with the unicorn. That's for the silver ray. The solstice grid that I did with the feathers, that was for the gold ray, masculine. The silver ray is for the feminine. So the silver ray and the golden ray together cause an alchemical mix, and that brings the rose ray in our DNA. So it's like a mixture of the divine feminine and divine masculine. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope the sun is shining where you are today. And I'm now going to enjoy the rest of my day. I'm going to eat some strawberries and cream. Got the strawberries out of my garden this morning, so I'm looking forward to that. And I'm going to have a nice coffee. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all soon.